welcome to your favorite recipe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and the most delicious garlic fried rice. I got this recipe from actually Instagram, one of the most aspiring chefs that I have followed. Her name is Sungyung Longest. She's Korean, she makes great Asian dishes, and this is from her. And I was like, okay, if I can make fried rice in 5 minutes, I am down. First thing first, we have a large pan over medium-high heat. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. And make sure you use salted butter. It'll save you some salt. And I'm going to let the butter just melt. It'll take a few minutes. One of the beautiful things about this garlic press is you don't even need to peel. It just squeezes all the garlic out of the shell. So all I need to do is just break the garlic cloves from the house. Our butter here is starting to bubble a little bit. This is time to lower the heat. You don't want to overburn this butter, right? I'm going to add pressed garlic here right into the pan. Once we're done, we're going to stir the garlic evenly. And when the garlic starts to turn just a little bit browner, this is time to add our rice. Okay, so one more trick is to make the best fried rice, you want to use a day-old cold rice. Just put the whole box in here. It'll come out as a block, but with heat, you can just start to break it down easily. We've got garlic, we've got rice, and now all I have to do is just constantly stir it and stir. Green onions, scallions to garnish. And I'm just going to chop this very finely. I'm just going to add this in with the rest of our ingredients. So this is her recipe, pretty simple. And I wanted to actually enhance the flavor just a little tad by drizzling some soy sauce over it, just a tad, about a ½ teaspoon. It took me 5 minutes to cook this. I was like, there's no way great fried rice should take less than 5 minutes. But nope, she's right. All right, we have our 5-minute garlic fried rice right here. It smells so good. I can like start watering, oh my gosh. And it's time to taste this. You couldn't resist the smell either. It's pretty good. When you make this at home, let me know how it turns out. And if you like it, if there is any improvement that I can make, please leave them in the comments below. And when you make it, please take a photo and tag me. My Instagram is @YunaCooks, and I'll see you at your next favorite recipe.